Hey babe, I've got a question for you. Are you feeling like you're stuck? You can't make a decision without weighing out a million scenarios or making a ton of pros and cons lists? Or fake, you're posting pretty pictures of a perfect life that are so far from your reality that imposter could be your middle name? Or lost, you're at a crossroad and it's scary. And the opportunity to reinvent yourself is right here, and you can't even take one tiny step forward. We're living in a time where we're forced to constantly reinvent ourselves time and time again, and it's not always easy to know what to do. The good news is you're not alone. Over the past 5 years, I've worked with over 500 women who have come to me with this exact same problem. They lack confidence, clarity, and the courage to design a life they love. This is why I created YuSchool. It's a step-by-step process designed to take you from stuck and disconnected to confident and crystal clear in who you are and what you desire. YuSchool includes professionally produced videos, a self-study workbook, meditations, visualizations, and a supportive community. Graduates of YuSchool, who are women just like you, have literally transformed their lives. They've seen their businesses flourish, they've changed careers, relocated, found authentic love, and gained a deeper meaning and purpose in their lives. You deserve to be who you are and to live a life that you desire. Your dreams matter, and you matter. Don't be left with that dreadful feeling of regret of never becoming who you were born to be. You have the power to change your life. The choice is yours. I can't wait to see you in YuSchool and for you to become the badass boss you were born to be. Sign up today and finally make the choice to be you with confidence.